Due to the floods, many routes and roads have been washed out, and the visibility is poor because when it rains and flash floods are still imminent, it may not be very safe to travel. The Tana Delta area is still under floods, and majority of the roads are impassable. Unless it is extremely necessary, it is advisable that we keep off these roads altogether until such a time when they are fully restored. While planning for your travel upcountry, you may not have the latest update of the condition of the road you intend to use. It is thus advisable not to drive when it is raining, and especially when the visibility is less than 100 meters, as these might compromise your safety. Night travel should be minimized as much as possible, and ensure that you have your vehicle mechanically prepared well for the journey ahead. Have with you the necessary survival kits, warm clothes, drinking water, hot food, lighting system, phone, medication if any, etc. If possible, do not travel with the children at this time. It is advisable. Further, do not drive in or through any river or flooded areas, moving or standing waters. It is important that you take your time and wait for it to subside or turn around. Finally, ensure you are in communication with someone so that your travel updates can also be known, so that you don't end up in trouble. So that is the